think that we're showing a pattern here of a police department in a frenzy to generate good television for the cop show at the expense of our clients' constitutional rights.
I know I'm a broken record on this, but those tapes are damning. Those tapes seem to be insurmountable when you hear about talking about money, about either kill them at home or kill them at the bank. I mean, how do you deal with that?
If this was a credible criminal investigation, those tapes would have never existed. This investigation would have been stopped the moment that Mohammed Shahadi, the confidential informant, said, "I don't want to be involved in this investigation." Those tapes are fruit of the poisonous tree.
Well said, but they still exist, and now they exist in the jurors' minds and notes that they heard what they heard today.
Yeah, the tapes exist. We understand that. But if the tapes are created as a result of coercion, threats, intimidation, lies, manipulation, destruction of evidence by a police department, then what good are those tapes? This case is bigger than Dalia Dippolito. It's about holding law enforcement nationwide accountable for following the rules. You can't break your rules, abuse your power as a police department, and then be rewarded by videotapes and audio tapes to send somebody to jail for 20 years. This would set a horrible precedent nationwide if she is not acquitted.
The one thing that also throws me is that here you are using the confidential informant who you would think is a state witness to your advantage.
Well, and you know, and that's why the state's case was so short, because they know how incredible their witnesses are, how egregious their witnesses' behavior was, so they didn't call them. But you know what? We brought them in, and we showed everyone today how egregious that misconduct was. And you're going to see more and more.
Is Shahadi then the height of the core about which this whole defense case is built on?
You're going to see even more.
Yeah, the most important fact in this entire case is whether Mohammed Shahadi, the confidential informant, was pressured and intimidated and threatened to be prosecuted to continue in this investigation. If a jury believes that he was, I think we have a shot at winning this case. But now you have his word, he has no reason to lie, versus the lead detective, who we established today twice, lied under oath.